You just take the pool of watermelon out, and then you just eat it. And then you want to take a small bite from the cube. And the cube is just eat it.
Did you like the video?
Yes, yes. And I like the video, and I have something for you. But don't dash. Whether you want to see it, just raise your hand, and I will show it to you. And then it's not a car, it's not a necklace.
Okay, hurry up.
It's not a bracelet.
But what is it?
But it's a Mickey Tidy.
It's a postcard.
Postcard. And Mommy found it from the mailbox.
And who sent it to you?
JD sent it to me. JD sent it to me. And the mailman brought it. And it got a little wet and a little spoiled right here. And
Alright, say bye to Abu.
bye, Poopa.
No, Abu.
Bye, Abu.
I'll see you later.
I see you later, Poopa.